In Gembaa, you can organize your staff into teams or however it's defined in your organization's lingo, making it easier to see who's assigned where and manage your people at scale. By structuring your staff this way, you improve visibility and reduce the complexity of tracking at an individual level. And as your organization grows, this becomes even more valuable, allowing you to filter all across the platform by team. Let's head into our Teams module to see our team list and try to add a new team. To do so, click on the Add New Team button in the upper right corner, and a dialog box will appear for you to enter the team details. In this example, we're creating a UX design team. And then fill in the remaining information, taking note that some of these fields may be custom fields, which are covered in a separate video. Once you're done with the changes, click on Next. Here, we can add in the team members, and you can simply do that by clicking on the plus icon on the right side of each row name. Or you can use the search functionality to find the staff by name, title, or other attributes. In this case, I'm going to be searching by job title of UX Design. As we search, we can see the results actively, showing 5 out of 59 staffs that are UX designers. And to add them, click on the plus icon. You can also simply remove a staff from the list by clicking on the X on the right beside their name. Once you're done, click on Next. We then will have to select for a team lead, which are based from the staff you've selected in the list. In this case, we'll select Hannah Peterson, click on Next, and review the details and save. In the table, we can now see our new team, UX Design. To update team details or add more members, you can simply do this by clicking on the leftmost ellipsis, and you'll see options to add members, edit details, or delete the team. And if you want to change the team lead, you can do so by clicking on the team name to open the Details panel and click on the upper rightmost ellipsis and look for Change Team Lead. Now let's try to customize our table a bit more. If you only want to see specific fields or rearrange the table, you may do so by clicking on the Customize button in the upper right corner. You can rearrange or pin important columns or even hide or unhide columns. In this example, we'll keep team name pinned and we only want to see team lead and department visible. So I'm going to unhide department, hide number of members, and put department on top. We can see that the changes are being reflected instantly. Customizing your view allows you to tailor your view based on your needs. We could further narrow our data even more by using filters. To do so, click on Filter in the upper right corner. From here, you can select your criteria, taking note that the filter criteria are only based on one of your visible columns. For this example, I only want to see teams from the IT department. So, I'll choose department as the criteria, matches IT, then click on Apply. The table will now show you only the teams that match your filter criteria, helping you focus on the most relevant data. Once you've customized your view, you can save it as a tab to access at any time. Click on Save Changes in the upper right corner, save as New tab, give it a name. In this case, we'll just call it IT Team Leads, and click Save. You'll now see a new tab added to your view. And to manage your tabs, you can click on the ellipsis on the rightmost column and see the menu options to create new tab, rename, save as new, save, duplicate, delete, or reorder them. And that's it for the introduction to the basics of Teams. To recap, you've learned how to create and manage teams in Gembaa. You can add teams, assign members and team leads, and update details as needed. You can also customize your view, apply filters to focus on specific groups, and save those views as tabs for quick access. Together, these features help you organize your staff more effectively and improve visibility across your teams.